Mastering integer addition using a number line. Welcome back, Math Masters. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of integers and mastering the art of adding them using a powerful tool, the number line. By the end of this video, you will be a pro at adding the integers and tackling real-life problems with confidence. So let's get started. Introducing integers and the number line. So before we begin adding the integers, let's quickly recap what they are. Integers are the whole numbers and their negatives, such as -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So basically, the number line consists of positive integers and the negative integers. So what are positive integers? The positive integers are the numbers 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. There is no limit. Sometimes called the counting numbers or the natural numbers. So what negative integers? A negative integer is an integer to the left of 0 on the number line. It is less than 0. So all the numbers which are less than 0. So less than 0 numbers are negative -1, -2, -3, -4 and it goes on. It does not stop at certain limit. It goes on because we don't know where the numbers ends. So now let's introduce our secret weapon. So the number line, which is the main ingredients you can say of this whole lesson. So the number line is like a super highway of numbers stretching from negative infinity to positive infinity. As we all know, there is no limit to the numbers, whether it's a positive number or it's a negative number. It goes on. So that's why we use the word infinity. So the number line is consisting of a negative numbers and the positive numbers. As you can see on the screen, integers number line. In middle we are having 0 and to the right of 0 all the numbers are positive numbers and to the left of 0 all the numbers are negative. And 0 is neither positive nor negative. It does not consist of any sign. Now adding the positive integers using the number line. How you can add the positive numbers or positive integers by using a number line. It's very easy, very simple. Now let's see how you can add them. So let's start with adding the positive integers, which is pretty straightforward. You don't have to do any big calculations over here. It's very simple and very straightforward. It's like counting forward on the number line, which means, for example, you are going in a straight line ahead forward. So it's just simply just going in a straight line forward. Let's see an example. Now suppose you want to add 3 plus 2. Now 3 and 2, they both are positive numbers. So you don't have to do any big calculations over here. You have to just use a simple number line. To add 3 plus 2, what we will do, we will start with the number 3 because 3 is the first number on the number line. So what you all will do, you will draw a number line like this and then the first number is 3. So you will first go on number 3 and then it's plus 2. So we'll start with 3 and 2 steps ahead because it's addition. Okay, so 3. So from 3, one step 4, then again one more step 5. So your final answer will be 5. So if you add 3 plus 2, the answer will come as 5. Isn't it easy? Yes, I know it's very easy, but what do you all need? Just a practice. Now let's see the next is adding the negative integers using the number line. The way we have added the positive integers on a number line. So Here is just a simple rule, or you can say a simple common sense also, you can say, you have to use over here when you are adding the positive integer. So what you are doing, you are going one step or two step or whatever steps they are telling, you are going forward. Okay, when you are adding, so you are moving forward. But when you are adding the negative ones, you have to move backward. Okay, so adding the negative integers using the number line. So let's just see over here. So now let's move on to adding the negative integer. It's like counting backwards on the number line. Let's try an example. So for example, you want to add -4 plus -2. So here two negative numbers you are adding. So -4 and -2, these two are the negative numbers. And what you all have to do, you have to add these two negative numbers together. Okay, so same way what you have done for adding the positive ones, here also you have to follow the same rule. Draw a number line. On that number line, the first number comes as -4. Okay, so what you all will do, you all will go on the number -4, and then what you have to do, you have to add the negative number, right? Negative number. So what you all will do, you will move backward. How many steps? Two steps, because you have to add -2. Okay, so what you all will do, you will go on 4 -4 and 2 steps backward. Why? Because you have to add -2. So that's why you will take 2 steps backward. So when I will go from -4 to -5 one step, then again -5 to -6 two steps. So my final answer will be what? It will be -6. Ta-da! Wow, that's so good. Okay, isn't it a piece of a cake? Adding the negative integer is as simple as counting backward on the number line. It's very easy, very simple. Now let's move forward. So now adding positive and negative integers using the number line. As for now, what we have seen how to add the positive integers when both the numbers are positive, and then we also have seen how to add the negative numbers when both the numbers are negative. Now here the third case comes where one number will be positive and one number will be negative. So over here, how to add these two numbers, one positive number and one negative number, by using a number line. So let's see over here. So let's tackle the trickiest part. Okay, but which is very easy. It's just say it's a trickiest one, but no, it's not. It's very simple and very easy. Just remember the steps. So what do you all have to do? Adding the positive and the negative integers together. But fear not. Why? Because the number line will guide us through it. It becomes very simple, very easy when you are using a number line. If you are getting difficult by doing it directly, so what you can do, you can easily go through the number line. It's not an hard and fast rule that you can't use. Suppose you are in 6th grade or in 7th grade, so you feel ashamed or you will feel, no, what others will think if I will use the number line at this age. No, it's not at all. You know, you have to be at comfort. Okay, if you are comfortable by using a number line, it's totally fine. Okay, so now let's see with an example. So what is an example? We have to add 3 plus -2. If you will see over here, 3 is a positive number and -2 is a negative number. And what we all have to do, we have to add one positive number and one negative number together. Okay, same rule we have to do. So what we all have to do, we will start at the 3 on the number line. Same, draw a number line. The first number over here is 3, so we will go on 3. Okay, and then it's, you have to add -2, -2. So try to recall, when you are adding a negative number, where you go, forward or backward? Yes, correct, we go backward. So when first step, you will go on 3 and it's -2, So 2 steps backward. So from 3 to 2, 1 step, 2 to 1, another second step. So your final answer will be what? It will be 1. Yay! You have done. Very good. Fantastic job! By combining the forward and backward movements on the number line, we can conquer any addition problem involving the positive and the negative integers. Congratulations, Math Masters! You have mastered adding the integers using the number line. Now you can confidently solve any real life problems involving the integers. So remember, the first thing first is practice is the key to perfection. Don't forget to practice. Keep exploring and adding the integers using the number line to strengthen your skills. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more math adventures. Until next time, keep conquering math with confidence. Thank you. Bye-bye.